Okay, this number was about higher purchase and then cash basis things. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, it says a dealer sells motorcycles on cash and higher purchase terms. So I telling me that a motorcycle can be bought on a higher purchase by making a deposit of 1 million and then paying 10 equal installments of 300,000 each. The higher purchase is 20% higher than the cash price. Calculate the cash price. So that one was also an easy question. So we start by getting now the higher purchase. So part A, our higher purchase. You know that higher purchase is equal to deposit plus installments. So now it's that this man was supposed to deposit at least 1 million. Then plus, they told us that 10 equal installments of 300,000 each. And you see this will give us shillings 4 millions. So that is now the higher purchase. Now they're telling us that the higher purchase price is 20% higher than the cash price. So I mean that now to get a percentage, I'll get 100 plus 25, which will give me 125. So now I say, let X be the cash price, the amount which you pay if you have cash. So if it's the higher purchase is 125% higher, 25% higher, then it will be 125 over 100 of the original amount, which is X. Then if I multiply that, I'll be getting the 4 millions. And I multiply that side, you start I'll be having 125 so here my X is going to be shillings. I think 3 millions 200,000. So that is the cash. So if you have your cash, you can pay this. But it's that if you don't have cash, then you have to pay that amount. So that is the case. Then part B, they are telling us that a dealer bought motorcycles each at 3 millions. He sold 18 on cash terms and 30 on higher purchase. Calculate the percentage profit made by the dealer. So we have to know how many, the total of the total of the motorcycles. So the total will be, we have the 18, then plus the 30, which will give us 48 motorcycles. Now, if the cash price of these vehicles, we shall say, the 48, because he bought 48 times each at 3 millions. And so here, mean that this dealer spent shillings 144 millions. Now, if this is the price that he used to buy them, now we need to know how much he made from higher purchase and then how much he made from the higher the sale. So he sold 18 on cash terms. So cash terms is going to be 18 times, but each, if you we say at cash terms, each at cash term is going to be 3 millions. So this one gives us shillings, I think 54. Yeah, 54 millions. Then higher purchase. Will be, remember higher purchase we said, higher purchase you pay the higher purchase, we said you pay, this one, if you bought on cash terms, this was the cost, the cash price. The cash price is 320. Note that the cash price is 320. So this figure is not the thing. So the cash price is 3,200,000. So if you multiply that, we get 57 millions 600,000. So because this is the cash that you pay if you buy it. So then on a higher purchase, we said you start higher purchase, the amount for higher purchase is 4 million, but he sold the 30 of them on higher purchase. So shall we get 30 times then the 4 millions. And then this will be 120 millions. So this is the amount has to pay. Now, they want us to get the profit he made. Now we need the total sales. We shall get now 576, then plus 1,000 millions. And this will give us 177,600 millions. So this is the total. Now, look at our percentage profit. Now our profit is what? Our profit, we shall get the amount he bought them, then minus what sold them at, minus 144. And then this will give us 36,600,000. So this is the profit. Now that our percentage profit, we shall get the profit over the cash price, which is 144. Then times 100. And this will give us 23.3%. I'm giving this to 1 decimal place. So that's the percentage profit that man made. So that's how we had to handle that number. It was very easy, by the way. Purchase and so on. So see you